Hello, Savannah. I hope you're enjoying your holidays. I've just been having a look at your elements assignment. Your information on silicon, probably have a capital S on the S for silicon. A bit more information would be good on that. Your atom diagram is good, and you have some interesting facts there. Franklin, again, with a capital. Um, your bore diagram is good, quite complicated element, isn't it? Interesting facts. Could have a few more there. Mercury is good. I'm skipping down. You've got um, three entries in for your bibliography. A few more would have been great, but nevertheless, I'm going to give you a very high. So congratulations and enjoy the rest of your holidays. Bye.